Yo, man. Sheeski here, man. Back with another banger video. And today's video, I'm going to teach y'all how to get a guaranteed Navy Federal credit card approval. I love Navy Fed. Navy Fed is a great institution, big bank. You know, you can't just get in normally to Navy Fed. Like, it ain't just one that you can just apply for and get in. You have to have somebody that's either in the military, that's relative to you, you know, either you're married or talking to someone that is in the military, they stay with you. It's a lot of different ways. But there is a backdoor method to get into Navy Fed. And I got that in my membership below. I can't just talk about that on YouTube like that and give out the sauce. So if y'all want that, you know, make sure y'all join on my mentorship. But what I would do if I'm trying to get a Navy Federal credit card approval, you see me, I got the cash reward. So I did get that. The reason I love this institution so much is just because they throw out high limits like candy, bro. 10K, 15K, 20K, 25K credit cards, bro. This on the personal side. This was the first institution that gave me a $10,000 credit card, to be exact. I have multiple ones now, but that was the one that got me in the door to being able to get the other ones. And the reason I like Navy Fed so much, because it's a relationship bank. It's not like these big banks. You got Chase, Bank of America, US Bank, all those are big banks. They just based off your credit. Your credit shot, bro, they're going to say no. That's just what it is. Or they're going to be like, hey, if nobody else gave you a high limit, we're not going to give you a high limit. And that's also how high limit approvals work. Like, if you got one institution give you a high limit, it's a chance the next institution you go to will give you a high limit. That's really how that works. But with Navy Fed specifically, that is a relationship bank. So what I recommend y'all doing, if y'all want to get a guaranteed approval, is first create a Navy Federal checking account. Checking account, that sounds so simple. It is. Literally, create a checking account. Most of y'all have W-2 jobs, right? The money y'all making for the W-2 jobs, I don't care whatever bank you're using. I need y'all to switch to Navy Fed for the next 6 months. 3 to 6 months, bro. Or just put a portion of your check over there, but the more the better, you know? You get how that works, right? The more money you got going, the better chance you got getting approved. So, you know what I'm saying? Like, y'all just, you know, put your deposits in there, use your debit card and all that kind of stuff. A bank looks at that like, because you know a bank just loans your money out anyway. So a bank is looking at that from the standpoint of, okay, well, if he's going to give us money to loan now, we'll give him some money to loan now. Simple as that. So what you got to do is, you know, do that for 3 to 6 months. Have those, you know, transactions going in and out, deposits, transactions out, all that good kind of stuff. Also get that pledge loan. The Navy Federal pledge loan is basically a secure loan. You put your own money, and it's a hack with that too. The pledge loan hack is literally, you can do this. Say, for example, you got a little money to play with before you can get started with this, right? Let's say you got like 5K or like 2K. Let's say, well, let's do 2K for the example so I can make numbers simple. Okay, let's say you got $2,000. You get a pledge loan for $2,000. You pay 90% of that $2,000 first, and what's going to report is a 90% paid off loan. So that's going to look really good when you try to go for the credit card. Think about it. If the bureau sees a 90% paid off loan for $2,000, they're like, oh shoot, well, we already see he can pay stuff back, so we might well loan him some capital. And you got it with Navy Fed anyway. You can get the pledge loan through them. They're gonna look at it like, okay, well, he can pay back his stuff with us, you know, good. You know, it's a system that look at it, not most time not real people. If the system look at it, that's what the system gonna think. Like, well, man, he paid us off 90%, so we can extend him some funding. So yeah, if you do that, if you get that checking account and you get that pledge loan, those are two things that can definitely get you in the door with getting a credit card approval with Navy Fed. And like I was telling y'all before, like this is the institution that throws out that bag. Like they don't miss, bro. Like this is the one. If you get in good with them, you're good. And like I said, if y'all trying to get in Navy Fed, it's a back doorway. Just, you know, you gotta get my mentorship for that. So if y'all want that, you know, get in down below. But listen, I'm out of here. Hope y'all gave y'all some sauce, man. You know, checking account plus the pledge loan. If y'all get that, bro, you should be able to get an approval. You know what I'm saying? It just depends. Like the amount you're gonna get, you might not get 10K the first card, you might get 7K or something like that. But that's still decent, you know what I'm saying? Based off relationship, your credit score doesn't have to be the best, just relationship. So I'm gonna get up out of here, man. Gave y'all some sauce, man. Hope y'all enjoyed it, man. If y'all did, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Sheeski out of here. Peace.